Hi, this is Kevin Suh from Concentrus. I want to show you the quick tip to edit the CSV file to show the correct format of tracking numbers when imported into NetSuite. For example, you want to edit the CSV file to show the item fulfillment tracking number with more than 12 digits numeric when imported into NetSuite. So going into NetSuite, when you're trying to bulk fulfill the sales order, for example, and then the template comes out, as you can see. And this is a sample template that we can use. So for example, I have the sales order, and I have the transaction type, I have the weight, I'm sorry, and I have the tracking number. Tracking number, again, this is over, that is over 12 digits. And then label integration can do true or false. This gotta be deleted. So when you try to import this, NetSuite's not going to recognize because of the tracking number that is it's not in the correct format. To fix this, you'll need to do either two options. You just need to change the format and simply import afterwards. So you'll need to change this by clicking under the whole column and then going into the format cell and go into the text and hit OK. Once you do that, if you double click on the tracking number, now it shows on the correct format. And then now you may import this into the NetSuite and you won't have any other problem. Another way is that when you get this, you can go ahead and before you write on this, you can go set the whole column as a text. So in the future, you don't have any issues going forward when you paste your data into it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and help you to edit the CSV file to show the correct format to numbers when you import it into NetSuite. And I hope you have no trouble importing the tracking number that are more than 12 digits. Do the bulk fulfill. Thank you for watching this video.